We are here now in Bolinao, going to cemetery. Yeah, we have what do you call that? Funeral service. No. Later we go with the singer. I'm using this Yamaha keyboard and the mixer. I use this keyboard for my gig, funeral gig, reading in the band like that. Ayan, mamaya punta na kami guys. Dito ako Bolinao. May living kami. Ito ginagamit ko na pantugtog sa mga ililibing. Hindi pa naka-switch, not yet switch the mixer and the inverter. This is a Yamaha 363. PSR 360. Yan guys, please subscribe to my channel and like, share my video, and even we have a pandemic, I always go in my gig. I don't believe in COVID. Your protocol is not good. This mask I'm using, is just for the protocol. It's not advisable guys to use mask. If you use, you must take like that, then use again, because we need fresh air. If like this, we can't breathe fresh air. So it's better to put after 30 minutes like that, breathe fresh air. Yeah. Because the carbon dioxide that we breathe must take out. Later we go to our gig now, funeral service guys. a pianist in the band. I'm a soloist. I play variety kind of music. I'm using this mixer, this keyboard for my gig. I'm at the back of a Ford Ranger. Yeah. We use this in funeral service. Here's a little house in my back. It's cute. I want like that also. If I build a house, I try that. I will copy that house. And as I said, guys, please subscribe, like my video in my channel, and I'll subscribe you too. This is my singer. This is my singer in Ponorogi. Yan, kopi lang kami.
Ha?
Magkopi lang. Ano makakain ng umaga? Kawawa naman si Kuno, namatay no? Wait mo naman. May letter ka? Dito.
Kasalanan din ng doktor yan?
Ha?
Doktor ang may kasalanan dyan.
Bakit naman? Ba't doktor? Hindi na si kaso.
Kasi nung malit pa yun na ganyan lang kalaki,
Upira na dapat.
opera na. Ba't opera pa, malakas pa sabi daw ng doktor noon. Tapos pinagpapasapasahan sa balik ka pag ganitong pizza sabi. Ilang days nga balik-balik doon pero di nila plus na ano sa pizza operating room.
Kung hindi naman nila i-operahan, binigyan sana ng malalakas na gamot kung
Kasi,
kaya.
tapos nung tinusok yung tiyan niya, yung ang tawag doon, biopsy.
Ah.
Yun, biglang lumubo ng ganong kalaki na parang buntis. Tusok yata siguro yun na ano, kumalat sa loob.
Oo. Palaran siya.
Pinabayaan.
Oo. Yung kasama naming isa, yung dito sa Funeralia, namatay din kagabi. Doon nga, laki ng tiyan, lumubo yung tiyan. Naawa ko. Yung kasama namin sa service. Namatay. Kawawa naman. Kasama namin yun sa service. Pag na-service kami. PP siya, 34 years old. Kumamatay lang kagabi. Dito, sasama namin dito sa funeral. Kuwan ako guys, I'm a freelancer singer and pianist. Kahit saan, I play everywhere, I strike everywhere. I play I play music everywhere, yeah, like that. I'm a music man, I'm a pianist, I'm a soloist, I'm a member of the band like that. But today, we are in a pandemic, so the restaurant where I played is closed or not not functioning normal because of the said COVID. But me, I don't believe in COVID. It's only the OU and the the protocol. It's not good to the people. Tignan mo yung protocol nila guys. Tignan nyo. Mag-asawa kayo. Galing kayo sa isang bubong. Isipin mo yung common sense Galing kayo sa isang bubong. Pagsakay nyo ng motor mo, kailan pa ng barrier? Ano yan? Kalukuhan. Yung asawa mo, magkatabi kayo natutulog, magkatabi kayo kumakain. Yung nakakasala mo, pagkasakay nyo ng motor, magbabarrier kayo. Kaya kumusin. Tapos ito pa, yung nagpapatupad ng protocol ng COVID, yung IETF, mismong siya na COVID. Ibig sabihin yung pinapatupad niyang protocol, palpak. Saka tingnan nyo guys, nung ni-lockdown nila ang Pilipinas, mas lalong dumami ang COVID. But hindi yun ang concern ko Concern ko yung sa music. Topic ko lang kasi nakakainis yung protocol nila, ang pamahalaan. Saka huwag tayong medyo naniwala masyado sa COVID guys. Me and myself, I don't believe in COVID. It's only the big pharma like that, big rich man, they are only force us to believe in COVID. But I think there is no COVID. And they said a month ago that COVID is deadly. But why there's so many people that is if they have COVID, they die. But hindi naman Sabi nila deadly ang COVID, but may mga gumagaling. Ibig sabihin, it's not deadly. Diba? Mga kasama ko. Alis na kami guys. Shell! Guys, kita-kits sa next vlog ko. Like, subscribe, and hit the button guys. Bye.